everybody, my name is Cami and today I will be making island beef with pineapple jalapeno salsa. For the salsa, the ingredients you will need are 1 pineapple, 1 orange bell pepper, 2 jalapenos, 2 limes, and pepper. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut the pineapple. The pineapple I am using here is a white pineapple, however a yellow pineapple should work just fine. This pineapple was generously given to me and my family by our friends who are pineapple farmers on Hawaii Island. Pineapples are known to have vitamin C, which can help boost an individual's immune system and strengthen your bones. Here I am cutting off any eyes that I missed initially, and then I will be keeping the pineapple and doing the same to the other half. Here is the entire pineapple cut. As you can see, each of the pieces are cubed into about 1 centimeter roughly. The next thing I'm going to do is dice this bell pepper. Here is the bell pepper I just cut next to the pineapple that we finished earlier. As you can see, the pieces are slightly smaller than the pineapple. It's time to chop the jalapenos. These jalapeno peppers are grown outside of my room window in planter boxes. The next thing I'm going to do is seed the jalapenos and then dice them into little bits, that way they're not too spicy. Jalapenos have multiple health benefits because they have antioxidant, anti-obesity, and anti-cancer properties. In addition, they can also reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Here is the minced jalapeno along with the bell pepper and the pineapple. Alright, so now I will be cutting and juicing 2 limes, enough to make 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Now that I am done cutting and juicing everything, I will be combining them all together. For the beef portion of this dish, you will need 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 cloves of garlic, half a large onion, 3 to 3.5 tablespoons of shoyu, and 1 pound of grass-fed island beef sirloin cut. Here I am mincing 3 cloves of garlic, and then I will be cutting that half onion into strips. Next, I will be chopping the beef. Again, this is grass-fed sirloin cut beef that I got from Kulana Foods. I use sirloin because it is fairly cheap and quite tender. Aside from being a great source of protein, beef is high in vitamins and minerals such as B12, zinc, iron, vitamin B6, and phosphorus. I am now adding the oil to a pan on medium heat, and then once that is slightly heated, adding the garlic and onions, and I am going to let this simmer until the garlic is slightly browned, as you could see in that last clip, and now I'm just adding the beef in. I'm going to mix this a little bit and then let it simmer for about 3 minutes, and then we can plate. Time to plate.
Good. You can really taste the pineapple. Good.
Alright, so what is your overall impression of this dish?
My overall impression is when you bite into it, it hits all the good flavor points. It's tangy. I love the beef, the fresh beef that you have in here. And then you get that hit with the jalapenos. But the pineapple, you can really taste.
Alright, so my next question is, does the recipe have a balanced taste?
It does. Yeah. As I mentioned, it when you bite into it, you don't feel like there's something missing. It has the right amount of the sweet, tangy, salty flavor.
All right. So was the main local ingredient featured well, which was the beef that we got?
I think it was featured really well because the salsa complements the beef.
All right, and second to last question, was the recipe healthy?
I believe it's really healthy because you have the protein from the beef and the fresh salsa, which has the bell peppers and the white pineapple and the jalapenos. So that's all the fresh vegetables and fruits, and then the rice, of course.
You can replace it with brown rice if you want.
Goes well with your white.
Yeah, okay. And then lastly, what do you think could be improved?
What could be improved? Maybe, I don't know. I think overall you did a really good job. I think if you were doing this in a restaurant, maybe have just a knife on the side, because some people, you know, they're gonna cut their meat a little bit, but otherwise it's really good.
All right, thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you. Thanks for cooking.
My dad didn't do the full interview, but I filmed his reaction and I thought it was funny.
Oh, this thing is awesome.